a manufacturer of wheelchair and accessibility solutions for those living with mobility challenges and their caregivers, was experiencing rapid growth both organically and through acquisition. Already a leading manufacturer in its industry, the company has embarked on an aggressive brand improvement strategy. It is doing this by acquiring its vast network of dealers, thus gaining control of the entire value chain, from manufacturing to sales to support. This transformation from a traditional family-owned manufacturing business to a much larger full-service corporation introduced new technical complexities. With each dealer it acquired, the company inherited a new set of IT systems, and the resulting inconsistencies brought security, performance, and policy challenges. The corporate headquarters relied on a legacy dynamic multi-point VPN, which was an insufficient deployment method given the company's expanding scale, as well as each branch location's need for direct internet access. The status quo of diverting all web traffic through headquarters created a costly and an inefficient bottleneck. With more acquisitions on the horizon, the company's CIO approached Presidio in search of a more repeatable, supportable, and secure way to bring new service centers onto the corporate environment while enabling DIA. Presidio's team quickly learned the business, diagnosed the issues, and identified a solution: Cisco Meraki MX. Meraki MX appliances make it easy to deploy and manage SD-WAN across multiple sites. With automated provisioning and an airtight secure access service edge foundation, Presidio brought unmatched Cisco implementation skills to the table, rapidly delivering a secure WAN at all 144 remote sites, while establishing a plug-and-play foundation for future growth. The company can now manage each service center location through one pane of glass, under one uniform policy. The Auto VPN secures all internet traffic and allows the company to drop internet-based traffic off locally. Presidio's digital workspace team also built new contact centers for the company's sales and services departments, giving it a state-of-the-art centralized customer service call center. Finally, Presidio brought each local service center onto the corporate phone system. Because of the successful Meraki deployment, the manufacturer can seamlessly onboard newly acquired dealers securely at massive cost savings. The partnership with Presidio and Cisco Meraki propels the company toward its ultimate goal of becoming the largest global player in its industry.